If the specified fault setting for a winding is mentioned as 20, then what can be inferred about it? A. If a terminal fault has its current limited to the full load rating, then 20 of winding from neutral end will be unprotected. B. If a terminal fault has its current limited to the full load rating, then 80 of winding from neutral end will carry current. C. If a terminal fault has its voltage limited to the full load rating, then 20 of winding from neutral end will be unprotected. D. Any of the mentioned. The correct answer is, if a terminal fault has its current limited to the full load rating, then 20 of winding from neutral end will be unprotected. When a line commutated converter operates in the inverter mode, then A. It draws real and reactive power from the supply. B. It delivers both real and reactive power to the supply. C. It delivers real power to the supply. D. It delivers reactive power to the supply. The correct answer is, it delivers real power to the supply. The reactor is required in a circulating current type dual converter to A. Improve the power factor. B. Smoothen the waveform of circulating current. C. Limit the circulating current. D. Increase the circulating current. The correct answer is, limit the circulating current. We need the biasing of differential relay biased to avoid mal-operation when used for transformer protection due to A. Mismatch of CT. B. Saturation of C. Difference in connection of both sides of CT. D. Current setting mismatch. The correct answer is, mismatch of CT. A protection system engineer is planning to provide the complete protection he can achieve this by A. 3-phase fault relays and 2 earth fault relays. B. 2-phase fault relays and 3 earth fault relays. C. A 2-phase fault relays and 3 earth fault relays. D. A 2-phase fault relays and 2 earth fault relays. The correct answer is 3-phase fault relays and 2 earth fault relays. If V1 and V2 are the converter output voltages, then the reactor voltage is A. V1 V2. B. V1 V2. C. V1 x V2. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is V1 V2. In the below given figure, the converter 1 to the right side has firing angle 1, converter 2 has firing angle 2. For the dual converter to operate in the fourth quadrant, A. 190, B. 290, C. 190, B. 290, D. The correct answer is 190. In the below given figure, the converter 1 to the right side has firing angle 1, converter 2 has firing angle 2. For the dual converter to operate in the second quadrant, A. 190, B. 290, C. 190, B. 290, D. The correct answer is 290. The given figure shows protection system scheme for one phase of generator. A high resistance fault occurs near the neutral end with the current distribution as marked. The slope of the relay is 10 and pickup current of 0.15 A. The CT ratio is 505. Will the relay operate under given circumstances? A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.